Hi, I'm Systems Engineer Jason Green, and in this video tutorial, we'll show you how to leverage PSExec and PS Tools to install applications on a target Deep Freeze workstation using Ninite Pro. You can see here I have a Deep Freeze Enterprse Console with 2 client workstations reporting in. Prior to utilizing PSExec to install Ninite applications, we need to set up the target workstation. You can see that I have virtually no applications installed, and the first thing we need to do is to run the PSExec batch file, which can be found as part of the knowledge base article that we will reference at the end of the video. Run the batch file, and that will install the PSExec on the client workstation. Once that's completed, we need to go back to the workstation containing the Deep Freeze Enterprse Console, click on the Actions button, and we'll configure a new custom action. Prior to doing that, we need to download PSExec to install on the console workstation as well. Once we've downloaded PSExec and extracted the contents, we'll go into the PS Tools folder and copy the psexec.exe file to the System32 folder on the console workstation. Once that file has been copied into the System32 folder, we're ready to import our custom XML script, which can also be found as part of the knowledge base article, into the Configure Custom Actions page. We'll notice as part of the executable path that there are a few variables that will need to be replaced. The first one is the server location, which is the same server location as the Ninite Pro installer and the Ninite batch script, which, as in the first example, contains the applications that we want to install on the target workstation. Once we've copied the network location, we will paste it into the location in the script on the custom actions page, and we'll also need to replace the MyPass with the password for access to that location, as well as identify the domain name and the username associated with the password. There is also going to be a second location, server location, that we're going to need to populate with the location of the Ninite Pro executable installer and the Ninite batch script. Once we've populated the executable path with the appropriate data, our new custom action has been created. And we'll close out of here. We'll just jump back in quickly to verify that it's been added. And there it is, the Ninite server installer. We'll click Close. We'll now right-click on the target workstation that we want the software to be installed on, click the Ninite server installer, and we'll be presented with a username and password information that we'll have to populate for access to the workstation. Click on OK, and that will commence the installation of software.